Hello, my name is Anna and welcome to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I got this lovely box full of lovely things for spinning. Technically I know what is inside. It is wool waste which I ordered a few days ago, but the fun part is I don't know what color, what type of wool it is, so I decided to share with you, and let's see. Right, dun dun dun. Right, well, oh wow. That's looking promising. Okay, so here 3 bags of different stuff. So first of all, this is mixed sari silk, which already carded, and this is incredible stuff to use into your batts, rollers, or just direct spinning. And look, different colors. How cool is that? And it is waste. Believe or not, these lovely things, they are made of waste. Beautiful. Okay, this bag is just one lot of white undyed fibres, which is waste as well, believe it or not. So just let me open it. So you can see there's a lovely silk, just white silk, and some bits of beautiful white fibres, very nice and soft, and just looking for something to show you something interesting. And some white fibres, again mixed with silk. Oh, you know what? I have an idea what to do with that sort of things. If you dye wool, and I assume you know that different type of wool and different fibers take dyes differently. So I'm gonna show you how you can make a batt carded on a drum carder to dye for. Yes, you actually can use different fibers in your batt, and after you dye a batt, and because different fibers will take the dye differently, you will have a variegation of color on your batt. So stay tuned. One of next videos is gonna be about that. Okay, and look, all these colors. Yoo-hoo! Happy Bunny is here. Alright, come on. Oh, somebody made a good job to tie it very tight knots. Okay. From my experience, when you order waste, it's every time is a big surprise what you're gonna get, because that completely depends on what sort of wool and colors the factory process at that moment when they complete your order. Normally it's sold by weight, so one lot could be 500 grams or 100 grams. For example, silk is by 100 grams, so I assume this lot is 200 grams of silk. White and colored wool is the lot 500 grams, and as you can guess, different companies, they might have different prices, but it's much cheaper than if I just order this lovely wool on its own. And look at the colors, and blue and green and this lovely cranberry, I can say, pink, and there's very lovely blue purplish color. So I'm chuffed to bits. And if you subscribe to my channel, or just keep an eye on my channel, eventually I will show you few projects which I'm gonna do with this material. Thank you for staying with me, thank you for watching this video, I appreciate your time, and hopefully see you soon. Bye!